Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 la.
Today is day 9 for Vlogmas. I am going to be making homemade mac and cheese, which is the best stuff that you will ever try, in my opinion. Right, Bear?
Yeah!
He thinks so too. Basically, you're gonna have pasta, grated sharp cheddar cheese. It has to be sharp cheddar cheese because that's the best. Some flour, butter, equal amounts of flour and butter, some ground mustard, and hot sauce, salt, and pepper. Okay, put the pasta in the water. Now it has to cook. So, next step is the sauce. And for the sauce, you put butter to add in the flour. Now, we can add the milk. So now, I'm gonna add the cheese. Now, comes the seasonings. This is probably the secret ingredient to this, is adding ground mustard. So I'm just gonna add that in there. Add some salt, some hot sauce. Definitely gonna wanna add more. You are going to add the pasta and put in this linguiça. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I'm not Portuguese, so I don't know if I'm saying it right. Okay. Here is the true critic right here. Here we go.
Oh yeah. Bomb. I like it.
Good. Okay, it is Advent calendar time. I know that I didn't do it yesterday, so I am doing it twice today. So, I get to do day 8 and day 9. Oh, I had a feeling I had to do with the bath again. I want to do like, I don't know, something fun. Okay, so this is calming lavender chamomile bath salt. Now let's see if I can use the next thing in today's vlog. So tonight I will be using, for day 9, the Hydrating Rose Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. Let's go get Diego's reaction to this.
Oh, hi.
Like my face mask?
Yeah. Looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a peel off one, so it's gonna be fun to peel off.
Very pink. I like it.